We are going to do a quick walkthrough of a 2021 Northtech NT SLR-16SC Precision 16-inch straight line rip saw. Our customer upgraded to a multi-blade and his loss is your gain. This is a hard to find, late model Northtech 16-inch straight line rip saw with a 4 1/16 inch depth of cut. It's powered by a 15 horsepower motor. The TrueTrack chain and race are in excellent condition and without issue, tracking flat and true. The feed is powered by a 1.5 horsepower motor that will allow for speeds of 40 to 120 feet per minute. Here is a quick look at the automatic oiler in action. There are 2 rows of heavy-duty kickback fingers. You will also find 8 large pressure rollers for optimum glue line ripping. Up top is an encased laser light and mounting bracket with thumb screw adjustability.